Hello students, welcome to geography class. Today we'll discuss geography as a discipline. We have discussed some important points related to this chapter in my previous video. Geography as a discipline. This unit deals with geography as an integrated discipline. Integrating discipline means we read many subjects in it as a science of spatial attributes, branches of geography, importance of physical geography, etc. What is geography? What do we read in geography? If you see this picture, it will clear to you that you read about people, places and environment where they are together, where they affect each other. See here, this arrow is in the three common part of the circles. What questions are defining this subject? First of all, what is geography? What topics do geographers study? And what makes geography different from other disciplines? If you see this picture, you will notice that they want to go to beach. They are somewhere else. They are not on beach. It means don't they know where they have to go? The question where, this question defines geography. I have just given one example. Now let's see what we discuss in geography. Main three questions we discuss in geography. First is what is located where? Why are the things located where they are? Third question, what is the significance? See these three questions. Let's discuss in detail. First is, some questions are related to the identification of the patterns of natural and cultural features as found over the surface of the earth. These questions are about what? If you see this pic, if you don't know the definitions of some of these, then definitely you would like to ask like this, that what is harbor, what is isthmus, what is volcano, like this. It means this question defines geography. Come to next second question. Some questions are related to the distribution of natural and human cultural features over the surface of the earth. These questions are related to where. Now suppose somebody asks you, where is Thar desert? We are talking about India here. You can ask this question from the world map also. Like, where is Sahara desert? Where are Andes mountains? These two questions didn't make geography a scientific discipline. So we have to add the third question in it. Let's discuss that third question. It is related to the explanation and the causal relationship between features and the process and phenomena. This aspect of geography is related to question why. See here, related to explanation. Suppose first we answer question what is volcano. Then we can give simple definition in 2 or 3 lines that this is volcano. But when you want to explain about it, that explanation comes under the question why. See here, this is the explanation in this pic of volcano. After erupting, it makes different kinds of landforms, laccoliths, dike, etc. Geography as an integrated discipline. I told you that what is integrated discipline? It means we read many subjects in it. If you see this pic, it will clear to you that how many subjects we can read or we are reading in geography. Let's talk about geographic techniques. What we read in it, see here. It is Geography Information System, which is known as computer science. Cartography comes under geography, but we read this subject in detail. It is known as geodesy. Similarly, remote sensing, we are reading in geography, but it is a scientific subject. Now it is engineering. Geomorphology, it is geology. Similarly, if you see these physical geography, there are many subjects which you read in it. Climatology, biogeography, soil geography, which is known as pedologies, and same here in human geography. Here, historical geography, political geography, see it is political science, economic geography, which is related to directly related to economics, and same as the population geography, it is demography. So this is the linkage with the physical science and the social science. It is interdisciplinary, means they are related to each other. Now see this tip. They have, this is the same pic which you have seen here, geography as an integrated discipline. The given pic shows the relationship of geography with the other sciences. Every discipline, here discipline means subject, concerned with scientific knowledge is linked with geography as many of their elements vary over space. Geography helps in understanding the reality in totality in its spatial perspective. So, geography not only takes note of the difference in phenomena from place to place, but it integrates them holistically, which may be different from other places. What is holistical approach? Holistical approaches, it is considered as a whole thing rather than a collection of parts. Whole thing. They, they have not been counted as separate, means where they are connected to each other in this part. This is known as holistical approach. So see, I have written some points this side and some from this side, but some where they are in common. This is known as holistical approach. Physical geography and natural sciences. All the branches of physical geography, as shown in the last pic, have interface with the natural sciences. The traditional physical geography is linked with geology, meteorology, hydrology, pedology, etc., and geomorphology, climatology, oceanology, soil geography, respectively, have very close link with the natural sciences as these derive their data from these sciences. Biogeography is closely related to botany. This is science. You read about plants in detail in botany, but where you start, it is you start from biogeography. Same as in zoology as well as ecology, as human beings are located in different locations here. Geographers should have some proficiency in mathematics and arts, particularly in drawing the maps. Natural sciences or social sciences. Geography has been called the world discipline and the bridge between human and physical sciences. We have discussed about these definitions or these things in my previous videos. Let's see here what we read in natural sciences. We read about atmosphere, climate, weather, landform, rocks, minerals, soils, animals, water, all water bodies, environment. plants. And what we read is social sciences, settlement of population, human migration, social tradition, urban system, agricultural system, political system, economic activities, religion, transport, recreational activities. Where they are common? Here. Somewhere they are in common. They are dependent on each other. So, thank you so much. I hope you will like this video. We will meet again in next video. Till then, take care.